How to select multiple photos and videos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can select multiple photos or videos on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to select multiple photos or videos on TikTok, let's just say that you're trying to post something to TikTok, right? So you tap the plus icon from the bottom, you select the upload option, and then you want to select multiple photos or videos. So now what do you do if you want to just go ahead and then select multiple ones? Here you'll find the select multiple option, select that option, and now just select the photos and videos that you would like to add, and now just tap the next option here. And once you tap the next option, you'll be able to go ahead and then successfully tap the next option here, and then after that you'll be able to go ahead and basically delete those photos or videos. This way you'll be able to select multiple photos or videos on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.